Hello guys, it's David here with another great video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a people per hour account. Okay, so I've had a lot of people come up to me and to my inbox asking me how to create a people per hour account. Okay, so basically they'll be creating accounts but they keep getting denied, the account is not being approved and all that. Some say they've created like 7-8 accounts but just keep getting denied and all that. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the simple process to create a people per hour account and get it approved. Okay, so the first thing obviously that you have to do is go to peopleperhour.com. Okay, so you can either click on the freelancer or sign up. Okay, so let's click on sign up. Okay, so what you want to do is, if you want to be a freelancer, work on the platform, you select this. And if you are a buyer and you just want to get services, okay, then you can click on I want to hire freelancers. But in this video we're creating this video for people that want to work as freelancers on people per hour. Okay, so you can either sign up with your Facebook or you sign up with your email account. Okay, so I always sign up with my email account. So you click on, once you click on this, I want to work as a freelancer, then you click on sign up with my email. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to enter your name. Okay, so you can enter your real name. Okay, so enter your real name. So I have an account, so I'm going to be using my brother's detail for this video. Okay, so I end up handing this account over to him anyways. So let's say your name is this, and okay, all right, so you want to pick your insert your an email address. So let me use this one. Okay, so and password, you want to put a password that you can remember. Don't use a password that you cannot remember. Okay, so okay, so go to sign up. Okay, so they're gonna send you an email, okay, to verify your account. Okay, so you go to the email, then you click on activate. Okay, so that's to activate your account. Okay, so here's the email, activate account. So you click on that, you cancel this, you can also cancel this. Okay, let's save that. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to put your profile picture. Okay, so you click on this and you get the image you want to use. Okay, so that's the image I want to use. Okay, so please use an image of yourself. Okay, because if you go download all these stock images, they tend to know that it's stock image and all that. So try snapping your own personal picture and upload that. Okay, so you want to put let's see, we're creating this account for graphic design. So you want to put, don't just write graphic design, put something like expert or senior graphic designer or something like that. Okay, so okay, so here you want to put your skills. So I think I have that here. Okay, so um, just put some skills here. Let's say, okay, let me just put this beside, so just type it in. Okay, so we have logo design, so this should show up. Okay, so what do we have again? We have Adobe Photoshop, I think we have Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so we're gonna put see business card. Okay, let's put business card, layout design, layout design. We have packaging design. Okay, okay, that does not show up. Covers and packaging, application packaging is okay. Let's exclude that. I don't want to. Let's see if print design will show up. Yep, so I think this is okay. You can actually add up to 15 skills. Okay, so then here you put about yourself. Okay, so in your about section you want to include some of these, like you how would I put this? Okay, you want to include some of these skills in it so that it shows the description is talking about you and the skills, okay, you offer on the platform. Okay, so talk about yourself and the skills so that it doesn't just look just about just your experience. Write about your experience, trying to include the skills, some of, not everything, but you can include some of it. Okay, so some of the skills that you have. Okay, so after that you come to location. Okay, so here what happens is this: if you submit this like this with this location that is here, it's going to be wrong because their system will pick something else like your main location, but here you might get something different, and if you submit this they will reject it, or they will send you a message that you should update your location. Okay, so this is not actually your location because I've created accounts for people, and anytime I try creating accounts on this location, the location that I'm currently at is not what normally shows up here. And if you submit this, their system is actually picking your real location, but I think this just shows up as a random location, and some people just overlook it and just move to the next section. So what you want to do, you want to go to let me say what is okay, go to what is my IP. Okay, so check what your IP location is. Okay, so as you can see here, it's telling me that city Abuja, region Abuja Federal Capital. Okay, so this is what they are going to be seeing on your location at people per hour, but you can see here it says London, Great Britain. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to check exactly what your location is and put that here there. Okay, so this is Abuja. Okay, so let's put Abuja, so it should show up. Okay, so your language, you can put English, and if you speak any other language then you can include it. Okay, but I normally include French because people that are looking for people that are looking for jobs in that, they are French speaking people and they're looking for someone to work for them on people per hour, they will contact you because it's practically very easy. If they send you a message in French, then you just go to Google Translate, you translate their message into English, then you reply with English, you type it in English in Google Translate, then translate your English reply to French, then send it to the person. It might not be accurate, but the person will understand that you are not a French speaking person based on your location. Okay, so then here you can put whatever you can change your currency to US dollars. Then here you can have let's say $30. Okay, $30 per hour. Okay, hourly rate. Okay, so that is all about this. Okay, so once you check your location, make sure that the location that is here is what you get here, okay? Because if it is not, then you're going to have issues. They might end up rejecting your application, and at times they will send you a message that you need to update your location because their system is picking a different location for you, okay? So you have to make sure that you check this and make sure it's correct, okay? Because these are the little things that can make them not accept your application, okay? So after all this, if you are applying as a graphic designer, okay, any design field, okay, you need to upload your portfolio. So you put some sample of the work that you have done in your portfolio, okay? Because if you don't, if like for instance I'm creating this account as a graphic designer, if I submit this and I don't include my portfolio, then they might end up, they will still send you an email that you have to go and update or put some of your work in your portfolio for them to see before they can know if they are going to approve your account or not, okay? So as you can see here, there's no place to add your portfolio, okay? But I'll show you how to do that now. So once you submit application, okay, so here they're going to tell you to fast track approval within 1 working day for $13 and all that. Just select the free one because they are still going to respond. Okay, so they are still going to respond to your application within 24 hours. So if you click on fast track, you're just basically giving them free $13, okay? So you can click on proceed, okay? So you click on proceed and your application is under review, okay? So what you want to do after that is you come to your profile, okay? So you go to your profile, then you come to portfolio, okay? So in your portfolio you edit your profile, then you come here, okay, yeah, sorry, you come here, then you put some images of work that you have done here. So you can either drag the file here or you can just browse and it takes you to your computer for you to pick the job that you want to include, okay? So I have some that I want to use, okay? So okay, yeah, I have this, I have this, I have this, and I think I have another one, okay? So let's upload this first. Let that be uploading, then we'll come back and check for the last one, okay? Yeah, I think I still have one other one, but I can't find it, okay? Okay, so let me use this also. Okay, so let's open this. So once you upload this, because if you don't upload your samples of some of your work, you don't have to upload many, but just upload some of your best work that's very clear and the quality is high, okay? So if you upload low quality images of your work, they might send you a message that the image uploaded is not clear enough and all that, or they might just not approve your application, okay? So you want to make sure that you upload high quality images of your work to your portfolio. So you can upload 5, 6, okay, or 4 and above, okay? So you cross check this, then in the industry here you might want to see if you can put some here, check if anything that relates to what you do is here, and if it is not, just leave it, okay? This doesn't really matter, okay? So you can, then you save, yeah. So they will tell you your profile has been saved and we will public once approved and all that. So if you check your email right now, you see that it will send you a message that the team has approved your update on your account and all that. Okay, so this is basically how you create an account on people per hour. Then you wait for, I think, with between let's say 7 to 8 hours. Within that range, they'll send you a message if that your account has been approved. Okay, so then you can go on, then create offers. I'll show you how to create offers on people per hour and all that. So people per hour is kind of similar to Fiverr. Okay, so if you are familiar with Fiverr platform, people per hour is kind of familiar with like Fiverr. Okay, so it's, you can create like gigs here also, but here they target as offers. Okay, so if you go to your profile, I think my network is kind of slow. So if you go to your offer, okay, you're going to see your profile, you're going to see where you create offers and all that. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create offers. Okay, so how to set up your offer and all that. Then you can promote your offers also on people per hour. Okay, to speed up your you getting orders on the platform and all that, because I think they have a time frame of, I think, 3 months. If you don't get any jobs completed, I think 2 or 3 jobs completed within that range, then they might end up closing your account, because they see that as an account that is inactive and all that. So you want to create as many offers as possible. Okay, so you can create offers on book cover design, logo design, flyer design, brochure designs. If you are good with web design also, you can create offers on web design as well. So you want to have a lot of offers, so it increases your chances of getting work very fast, so that they don't end up disabling your account. Okay, so yeah, this is basically it. So once your account is approved, you can add a cover, because I don't really recommend you adding a cover before your account gets approved, because to me it's going to be like a waste of time if your account doesn't end up getting approved and you already done the work of creating a header cover here. So because you can't use it anymore on another account, so it's just going to be a waste of your time and all that. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you create your people per hour account, and we are guaranteed that it's going to get approved if you do it this way, because the major thing is that your location. A lot of people overlook it. They just see, okay, the location is already filled, just go to the next place, because once they click on submit application, it doesn't give you any red flag or any error message that you need to fill that place, because there's already something there. So a lot of people just scroll past that and just click on the submit application. Then they end up sending you a message, your location does not match the location that they have on their system. So that's already giving them a red flag that something is up and all that. Especially if you're using IP. Okay, this VPN, I mean, if you're using VPN, it's going to change your location. So you have to make sure that you check the exact location here. Okay, so you have to make sure that check the exact location that you are, because that's what they're going to have on their own database here on people per hour. And if it's different from what they have, then they end up sending you a message that your location does not match what they have on their own system. And if you are using VPN, you might not know the exact location that is showing. If you don't check here, then you might end up putting your real location, because a lot of people work online and they use, especially places that they don't most of these platforms don't accept them into their platform. Okay, so they end up using VPNs to get past all this, and at the end of the day they don't end up checking this, so they just end up putting their real locations here, resubmitting, and people per hour are having a different location and you are putting a different location, so they end up just not approving your application. Okay, so you want to make sure that you check this and make sure it is correct. Okay, all right, so thank you guys for watching. Do try to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post another great video like this. Okay, all right, thank you for watching. Do have a lovely day.